Hi friends, it's Janae, and I'm out here in the garden. Feels like the right place to be to share something new with you. So for the past several years, I haven't been able to actually teach due to disability restrictions, and that's why my channel has primarily been like a documentary where it shows you the processes and the beauty and behind the scenes, and not a step-by-step tutorial. So that is about to change now that I have the freedom to start teaching again, and I am so excited to share this journey with you. Here's where I need your help. I want to know what you want to most learn. Step-by-step botanical printing, making natural inks and pigments, brush making from found materials, the magic of cyanotype. Or maybe there's something else that you've seen me share here that you'd like to learn about. Think of YouTube as a starting point, and that the courses, they will go in much deeper and fuller into the process. So I would love to hear from you, and I want to know what you are the most excited to learn about, because that is going to help me decide what I create next. As always, live inspired.